Do you guys ever wonder why the Xbox 360 is so loud? Well, the Xbox 360 is loud not because of the fans in the back, but it's because of the disk hard drive. Why does that Xbox 360 disk drive make too much noise? Well, I'm going to tell you guys right now. Why it makes too much noise is because when you put the disc in and play it, the disc in there spins really, really fast. That's why it makes all the noise. If the disc was running very slow, then it wouldn't make all that noise. Now let me prove my theory. I'm going to put a disc inside my Xbox 360 and show you guys how the hard drive is very, very loud. Oh yeah, before I start, hear the fans. Now the fans are not very, very loud. Now I'm going to put my disc in and let the disc drive read it and see how loud it is when I do that. See how loud that is? See how loud it is? It's not even the fans that are making that. It's the disk hard drive. It's not the fans. So don't complain that the fans make too much noise, because it's not the fans that are making the noise. It's the disk hard drive. Well, that's all I have to say. See you guys later. I hope you guys learned something today. Yeah. See you guys later.